Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor George Scarpin, and our topic today is cost plus pricing. Cost plus pricing is usually used for price setters company instead of price takers. Want to know more about price takers and price setters? We have a video in our channel, and this video is in our video description. And how do we work with the cost plus pricing? Start with the product's total cost and add a desired profit. So total cost plus desired profit is equal to cost plus price. Easy, huh? Let's go to our Excel file. So just to remember, if you are a regular, you already know that. But if you are a new one, all of our Excel files, they are available for download for free. The link is also in our video description. So let's work here. A company with variable, variable manufacturing overhead, 28, variable operating expenses, 7, fixed manufacturing overhead, $3 million, fixed operating expenses, $1.5 million. And then other info, units needed, 170. That is our regular production. However, our plant capacity is 200,000. Our total assets, 16 million. Our desired return on asset, 8%. Here, we need these yellow infos here to find our desired profit. Absorption cost per unit. Let's do it. Variable manufacturing costs plus fixed manufacturing overhead divided by, we always work with units needed. We don't work with plant capacity because I want to cost the products that I am producing, not my capacity. So 170. So our absorption cost is 45.65. However, for pricing, we cannot consider only our absorption cost. We need to consider our total cost or full cost. So let's take it. Instead of working per units, we will be working in total. It's much easier. So variable manufacturing cost, 28 times 170. Variable operating expenses, 7 times 170. Fixed manufacturing overhead, 3 million. Fixed operating expenses, 1.5 million. So our total cost is the sum of our costs here, $10,450,000. Now, desired profit. If we find our return on asset, our or ROA, it's equal net income divided by total assets. If we want to know our net income equal total assets plus return on assets. So total, yes, that's it. Sorry. So desired profit, 16 million times 8%. So 1,280,000. And now if we go back to our PowerPoint here, the price is total cost plus desired profits. So we don't have the price yet, but we have the sales revenue desired. Total cost plus desired profit. And now divided by number of units, 170, we find our sales price. We find our sales price of $69 per unit. So this is our selling price. Easy, huh? However, what is the next step? Determine if customers are willing to pay that much for the product. Usually, it is a market stuff. They work with focus group, test marketing, and so on. And then we go to the next phase. Cost too high, too low, and then we work with marketing to find our final selling price. Okay, guys, thank you. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. Have a very nice day.